Hello friend, we have using U70 since last 1 month and also the F64, and you are wondering which is the best box and which one to buy. So today our expert Mr. Sahzad, he is using the box for last 1 month and he will tell you the every pro and cons that he faced while using U70 and F64. So Sahzad sir, please continue and let us know the differences between these two boxes.
Hello, welcome guys. First of all, we'll start from JCID.
Okay.
This is the box I recently used last 1 month.
From yes, we are using from last
Yeah,
1 month.
so firstly, I would like to say this is the main thing, it's issue coming from troubleshoot on the interface. First of all, the interface and setup. It's a very difficult right now for the user.
Yes.
So when I'm going to download the setup, they have different lots of the software. Which one key we can choose there? So it's the first issue. After that, you will get the setup. Definitely, you can install it and install in the system. After that, they will ask update again.
Yes.
That means you are using latest setup on the website already posted there. But when after installation, you will check on system. They pop up message there what updating.
Update again.
Please update. Okay, no issue. When I'm going to update, it will asking 26% after that next time. So there is a issue from
With the
the
server.
server or setup issue firstly in JCID. In F64, nothing any issue. They will give an update monthly, or we can say the half of the month. So in F64, we can say it's the top of the first as compared to the JCID on the setup and interface process. And the second one, when I'm installing, now system is okay. And second thing, it is not working on Windows 11. And everyone have the system Windows 11 right now.
Yes.
But it's not working good. The third one, when I'm checking the EMC partitions, only we can read, write, and erase on the partition and making the partition.
Health repair is not an option.
Just showing the health information, not repairing. So how can we repair my health and how can repair my phone?
So that these are the basic issue we are facing here.
It is a very most. It is not
Basic thing
basic.
you
Yeah,
should have.
we can say it is a very interesting.
So we can say it has mostly focused on UFS rather than EMMC.
UFS you can be work like you will get here the highest speed like compared to F64, but in MMC we can't use this box. Better than you can use F64 right now. They will have number of options for MMC, either reading, writing, as well also like JCID, or you can repair the health. And one most important update in F64, if your MMC is not defined, they have not showing any health information. You can also fix there. They have no any options in other boxes like ECG tag, MIPI testers, but F64 you can fix there.
So basically, finally verdict we can say that if you are looking to buy any of the box, then F64 is the
Yes,
best
definitely.
right now. And for the JCID team, yes, the box look good. It got the metallic cover. Sometimes the IC which is not detected here,
Right.
it easily detected
Sometimes.
U70. So just the team work on the software part. The rest the box is quite good, looks good. Yeah, but the software bug has to be fixed, otherwise users will be unable to use it. So if you got the box and want to learn it, then you can join our online classes. Also, if you are looking to buy the box, just WhatsApp on this number. We will provide you all the details. And do subscribe to our channel for more such mobile repairing videos. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.